Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Edukartik, and in today's video I am going to start with exercise 6.1. So there are total number of 6 questions in this exercise. So this is the diagram of first question. It is saying AOC plus BOE equals 70 degree. Let me write. Given, you have to write this so that your presentation becomes nice. AOC plus BOE equals to equals to 70 degree, and BOD angle BOD equals to 40 degree. I forgot to write the angle. Yes. So if you have not seen my previous video on this chapter's introduction, please see it. Otherwise, you won't be able to understand it in a better way. So, to find we have to find the reflex of COE, angle COE, and we have to find BOE, angle BOE. Let's see. So we know that this is 40 degree. Now we all know that this will also be 40 degree. Why? Because of vertically opposite angles. So here we'll write according to question, BOD, not according to question, we'll write solution. So BOD equals to COA equals to 40 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Now we know that COA plus EOB equal to 70. So angle EOB equals 70, 40. So we all know that angle COA is equal to 40 degree. So angle EOB will be equal to 30 degree. Now this is 40, this is 30. How reflex of COE we will find out? Here we'll write now. Reflex of COE means this one angle. This one angle we have to find out. So firstly 40 plus 30, which is 70, and angle AOB this side, it is 180 degree. So 180 degree plus 30 plus 40. Reflex of COE equals to 30 plus 40 plus 180 which is equal to 250 degree. Yes, so this is our answer. We'll highlight these. 250 degree and like this. Now let's come to our next question. So friends, now we start with our this question. Okay, so let me take another marker and now let's start. So this question we have to find the value of angle C. So how we will find the value of angle C? Firstly, we have to add all of these and subtract them from 360 degree. And it is given that A is to B equals to 2 is to 3. So A is to B is 2 is to 3. So let angle A and B be, let angle A and angle B be 2x and 3x. Okay, 2x and 3x. Now POY, this angle POY is 90 degree. So angle POX will also be 90 degree because this whole is 180 degree. So we know that angle A plus angle B equals to 90 degree. Okay. So now 2x plus 3x equal to 90 degree. 5x equal to 90 degree. X equals to 18 degree. X is 18 degree. Now, if x is 18 degree, so A equals to 2x equal to 36 degree and B equal to 3x equals to 54 degree. 36 degree and 54 degree. Now, this will also be 54 degree. How 54? Because angle B and angle NOY is vertically opposite. So 90 plus 90 plus 54 equals C. Now we know that if we add all of these angles, it will be 360 degree. So 90, 90, 180, 180 plus 50, 180 firstly, C equal to 180 minus 54 equals to 180, 140, 130, 120, 126 degree. This is the answer. C equals 126 degree. Now let's come to our next question. Okay friends, now see this third question. It is saying that angle Q equals to angle R, but we have to prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Okay, now how will we prove it? Firstly, I will explain you first. Let's say these two angles are equal. So if we subtract this from 180, so this will be equal to 180 minus this angle equals to 180 minus this angle. So this will be equal to this and has proved. So let's see. Given angle Q equals angle R. Now RTP required to prove PRT equal to PQS. PQS equal to PRT. Now here we'll write proof. Angle PQR equal to PRQ. (180 minus PQR equal to 180 minus angle PRQ. Now we have subtracted from 180 on both the sides. Now 180 minus angle Q is PQS and 180 minus angle PRQ is PRT. And here you will write hence proved. Okay, this is proved. This was the shortest question. Now let's come to our fourth question. Friends, now in this one question, you have to prove that x plus y equal to z plus w. Angle x plus angle y equal to angle z plus angle w. So now we'll write something here. We know that sum of all angles equals to 360 degree. Okay. Now sum of all angles means x plus y, w plus x plus y plus z equals to 360 degree. See, we know that x and y are 180 degree. X and y 180 degree. So x plus y we can write 180 degree. So w plus z to 180 degree. Now, okay, so now we'll write here x plus y equals to 180 degree. We know this because it is a straight line. Now we know that w plus z is also 180. So x plus y, instead of 180 we'll write w plus z. So we have proved that x plus y equals w plus z. Hence proved. This question was also small. Now we'll come to our fifth question. Wait, let me see. Oh sorry, this was the fourth question. Now let's come to next question. So friends, this is our next question. In this question we have to prove that angle ROS equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So firstly, if you see this figure, angle ROQ is given as 90 degree. So we know ROP will also be 90 degree. So now this is 90 degree. So how can we write it? Angle QOS minus angle ROS equals to angle ROQ means 90 degree. Angle QOS minus angle ROS equals to 90 degree. Now angle POS plus angle ROS. Angle POS plus angle ROS equals to equals to angle ROP means 90 degree. Now this is as 1, equation 1. This is equation 2. So we'll write here from equation short form is EQ to the power n. Equation 1 and 2 we get what we get? Angle QOS minus angle ROS equal to angle POS plus angle ROS, because these both are 90 degree. So angle QOS minus angle POS equals to angle ROS plus angle ROS. Why? Because this was plus ROS, this was minus, minus go there and become plus, plus go there and become minus. So 2 times of angle ROS equals to angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay. So now this is 2 here, and if this is in multiply, there it will go and become divide. So angle ROS equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Bracket close. Hence proved. This is our answer. Now let's come to our last question. Friends, in this question I will have to draw figure with you. So let's see. Here it is given angle XYZ equals to 64 degree. So let's make 64 degree. It will be approximately, yes, approximately this much. X, Y, Z. Okay. And line XY is produced to point P. This is extended to P. Or yes, this is Y. And now, wait, make it here. Now this is the angle of ZYP. So it is given ray YQ bisects ZYP. YQ. So means this angle will be equals to this angle. Now angle XYZ equals to 64 degree. Let this angle be X and this also X. Now find ZYP and ZYQ. So how we'll do this? This is 64, this is X and this is X. So ZYP, we know that angle ZYP equals 180 degree. See, this one angle is 180 degree. Now angle ZYP can be written as angle XYZ plus angle XZY. Yes. What is this point? Unnamed. Yes, this is Q. So ZYQ plus QYP plus XYZ. XYZ plus ZYQ plus QYP equals 180 degree. Okay, now these all are done. Now we just have to put the value. XYZ is 64 degree. This ZYQ is X and QYP is also X equals to 180 degree. Is it 64 only? Yes. Now 64 plus 2x is 180. So 2x equals to 112. Okay. 2x is 112. You can also calculate. So x will be 56. 56 degree. Now what we had to find out, XYZ and reflex of QYP. ZYP, XYQ, ZYP, XYQ and reflex of QYP. QYP, its reflex will be this one. So now firstly we have to find this one, angle XYQ equals to 64 plus 56. Okay. Is it true? 56, 112 plus 64. Wait, I know. This will be 116. Okay. So 112, this is 116, so we'll write 58 degree. Now this is 58. 58 plus 64 will be 122 degree is XYQ. Now reflex of this angle, reflex of PYQ, it will be 360 minus X. Reflex of angle PYQ equals to 360 minus angle PYQ. 360 minus angle 58. I mean 58 degree. Which means it is 302 degree. This one. And one more we had to find, which is ZYP. ZYP means add to X. X plus X means 2x equals to 116 degree. Hence proved. So now in this video we'll only do this much, but in next video I'll start with exercise 6.2. Till then, bye bye.